got was this Sanfe Feminine Cramp Relief. So it's just a roll-on for... Oops. Hi guys, hello, welcome back. So let me first address the elephant in the room, and that's my hair. So I chopped my hair off, and yeah, I'll tell you why in another video, but today I just wanted to share things that I got from the Nykaa Holi sale, and because this will be a very good time for you to shop as well, and the sale will be up until 31st of March. So yeah, if you want to get some of these things, then this will be a good time for you to pick them up. So let us begin. Okay, so I got a couple of these things like a few months ago, but I'll include them in this haul because I really enjoyed using them and I just wanted to share it with you. So the first one is this body lotion. It's by B1. It's the honey almond moisturizer, and I really like this one. If you have seen my empties video, I've told you that they also have a aloe vera version of this. I've used the aloe vera version 2 times already. Like, I've purchased 2 bottles of it, and I'm trying the honey variant for the very first time, and I really enjoy using this one as well. So now, why I like this body lotion, it's not very thick and hence great for summers, and you get like 500 ml of product for just 175 rupees. That's seriously like the cheapest moisturizer that I've ever come across. So yeah, I really like this one, and it's great for people who are on a budget and even for people who are not on a budget. So the next thing that I got was this Sanfe Feminine Roll-On Cramp Relief. So it's great for those days of the month, and you just have to, you know, roll this over the areas where you're most affected by period cramps, and it makes it a little better. I have a review on this and it will come up in a couple of weeks. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Okay, so the next 2 things, like, I was shocked when I got to know that Minimalist is on Nykaa. If I'm not sure, they were not on Nykaa and they only used to sell through their own website, like the Be Minimalist website. But now I saw them on Nykaa as well. I actually got them from their own website, but I have been enjoying these products, so I'm including it here in case you want to get them from Nykaa. This product that I got from Minimalist is their toner. It's their PHA toner, and I have a review on this one on my channel already, and if you have seen that, you know that I really like this one. This thing that I have from Minimalist is their AHA 25%, PHA 5%, BHA 2%. So this is basically a chemical exfoliant, and this is basically like a vegan exfoliating facial kind of a thing, and I've not tested this out for a very long time, so I've not made up my mind on this yet. I will use this for maybe 3 or 4 weeks and I'll get back to you on this one as well. Next thing is sunscreen. Okay, so how can we forget sunscreen? And if you don't wear sunscreen, what are you doing? And I think you should really, you know, look out for sunscreens that will suit you, and this is the one from Requil. It's their SPF 50% PA triple plus, and yeah, I've used this again for a couple of weeks, almost a month, and I really like this one. Did not break me out. The next thing is this really giant tub of cream from Olivia. It's their Chandan cream, and I was actually looking for a good face moisturizer, like a lighter face moisturizer for summers, so I thought I'll check this out. I seriously do not remember seeing like the size of this. This is like 400 grams and it was very affordable. So the MRP is 225 and I'm sure I got it on some discount, so you get like 400 grams of product for just 225. I mean, that's great. Even if this does not work out that great as a face cream for me, then I'll use it on my body. This is like a win-win situation. Next thing is also like a giant tub of hair mask, and it's from a brand called Club R USA. It's the Argan hair mask. It's for anti-hair loss and hair growth. I've not tried this out, so I don't know how this will work, but yeah, you get a lot of product in here, and this was for $3.95. Again, I'll put the discounted price on the screen, and yeah, really excited to try this one out too. I also got 2 deodorants because, like, why not? The first one is from Temptation, and it smells so good. Wow. Okay, so the first one is from Temptation, and I really like the smell of this one already. Again, this was very affordable, got it on discount as well. And this one is from Spiker. I actually got this for my dad, and I don't mind using men's deodorant. In fact, I like them more than the, you know, the female deodorants. I like the smell on this one even more than this, so I guess I'll be using this more. The next thing that I got is this brow pencil from Blue Heaven. I have seen like a lot of people talk about this, and yeah, I've seen a lot of good stuff about this brow pencil. This was just for 150 rupees, so if this works out, that would be great. It would be like the cheapest brow pencil of all times. We have 3 more things to share. The first one is a nail polish, and it came so nicely packed, and this is from Inside. Again, this was super affordable. This was just for 60 rupees, and I really like the packaging on this one too, and it's in a nude shade, so it's a very, very pretty shade. But of course, I haven't tried this out yet, so I don't know how easily it will chip or how long lasting it is and all of that. The last 2 things, the first one is this Wadi lip balm, and if you have seen any of my videos, you know that I really love this lip balm. This is just for like 40-50 rupees, and it's very, very good. I usually buy the strawberry variant in this. It's the first time that I usually buy the strawberry variant in this. It's the first time that I got the lychee variant, and I love lychees. So the last thing is this Real Makeup base from Swiss Beauty, and it's basically just a primer, and I've seen Nidhi Katiyar talk about this so much, and she has dry skin and so do I. So I feel I like this one too. The packaging is again like really, really pretty, and for the price that you pay, I feel it's such a steal, and you're getting a lot of product in here. Okay, wow, this also has a pump, so I was not expecting that. I just want to see how it feels on the back of my hand. Feels so hydrating. I'm not sure if you can see the shine, but I can see it in person, and I cannot wait to try this out the next time I do my makeup. So now we come to the end of this video. That was all that I got from the Holi sale, and let me know in the comments down below if you have purchased anything from the Holi sale as of yet, or if you are interested in buying anything that I showed here in the comments down below. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing before you leave, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.